and welcome
to Rotor Rock.
You're gonna learn something today.
So it sounds right. Whatever.
See, when you get too cocky, that happens. So see, I put the trim on the desk. She started putting things on the desk. Like with nothing on there, it was like, it slid past it. But now that everything's on there, it just touches the top of this stuff. But whatever. FPV pro tip of the week. Are you fucking around with your battery still? Because I used to fuck around with my battery. They used to fall off and shit. And one day I was searching on Amazon and I found this silicone gel pad shit. And this stuff is amazing. Dude. So this piece on my quad's been there for like, I've used the same piece for I have no idea how long. But see, it gets dirty, right? But it's washable. And you can take it off. So see, we're gonna take this piece off and wash it, and I'll show you just how good this shit is. I'm a grip, more like fucking, I'm a slit. Let me show you this shit. We're just gonna put it on a sick lighting, right? Shit, I don't even have a battery with me. That's all right. We'll stick down some Play-Doh. Got a little nice stick there. Look at that shit. It's pretty fucking sticky. And like when I put it, if you put a brand new sheet on, or if you like just cleaned it, it's kind of too sticky. Like it'll pull off your heat shrink. So usually I'll put it on there and then handle the top of it, get some of my oils on it. And then it's like just right. And even when it gets dirty, it's still like, it's perfect. So I love this shit. Well, that's it. Just a little update. What's next? I don't know. I want to do another frame tutorial, so I think that might be coming pretty soon because I saw a few people ask for it, and after watching the video, you know, I'm learning a lot about trying to like teach something that I know. You know, it's not easy. It's not as easy as it seems. Like, I don't know. It's pretty hard. So I'm learning, and I looked back at the video and there's some things I wanted to, you know, make a little better, or that I think could be better. So stay tuned for that. Well, I think that's it. If you're here right now, thanks for sticking around. And yeah.
Look behind, if me no call you, no come, and if me no send you, no come. It is very bad that we will come out of this struggle of life.
I could